Hi everyone, today we're going to be going over least common denominator. Okay, so the least common denominator, or LCD for short, is the smallest number that can be a common denominator for two or more fractions. So to find the LCD, you're going to find the least common multiple of the denominators of your fraction. So here's a quick example. We're going to try it with 1 over 4 and 2 over 6. So first you want to list a few multiples of each denominator and find the smallest multiple that they have in common. So some multiples of 4 are 4. 4 goes into 4, it goes into 8, goes into 12, 16, 20, and 24. And then 6 goes into 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So as you can see, they both go into 24 and 12, but we are trying to find the least common multiple, so that would be 12. So the LCD of 1 over 4 and 2 over 6 is 12. So here are some examples. Here we're going to be trying to find the LCD of 1 over 2 and 7 over 8. So to start off, some multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then we'll stop there for now. And then some multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24. And then now we see that 2 goes into 8, and obviously 8 goes into 8, so the least common denominator of 1 over 2 and 7 over 8 is going to be 8. So then here we're going to be looking at 2 over 5 and 5 over 7. So to list some multiples of 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 6 is 30, 5 times 7 is 35, 5 times 8 is 40. And we'll stop there. So then 7, we have 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. And then 7 times 5 is 35. So for now, our least common denominator of 7 and 5 is going to be 35. So that gives us 35 as our answer. Here, what is the LCD of 3 over 8 and 2 over 9? So 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. Sorry. 8 times 8 is 64. And then 8 times 9 is 72. And then 9, let's see if we have any numbers smaller than 72 on here. 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, 9 times 4 is 36, 9 times 5 is 45, 9 times 6 is 54, 9 times 7 is 63, and then 9 times 8 is 72. So again, here our least common multiple is going to be just 8 times 9, which is 72. And sometimes that'll happen, but sometimes there will be numbers that are smaller that both go into. And then here we have 1 over 2 and 1 over 4, so smaller numbers. So multiples of 2, again, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, and then 4 times 1 is 4, so right off the bat, 4 is going to be the least common multiple for these fractions. And then our last one, what is the least common denominator of 3 over 10 and 1 over 2? So, oh, pen went away. So 10 goes into 10, and we'll do 20, and then we won't go past there for now, and then 2 goes into 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 2 also goes into 10. So our least common multiple for this is going to be 10. So that's all for now. Things you can use the least common denominator for is addition and subtraction and fractions, which will be in the next video. So if you want to know a little bit more about that, just stay tuned.